Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to design realistic lighting composites. Begin by masking your subject using mask overlay and refining edges to ensure clean separation from the background. Apply the mask and analyze the light direction and intensity in the new environment. Use clipped adjustment layers to adjust highlights, shadows, and midtones so the subject matches the scene lighting. Add soft shadow layers and subtle light gradients to simulate natural light fall-off. Optional enhancements include color grading overlays to unify mood and atmosphere.